welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment and tell me where are you watching from. Yeah, so for my existing subscribers, I really want to thank you so much for keeping it up here with Alice and me. And yeah, just continue to share my videos. I know you guys share my content. I know you watch, I know you comment. Yeah, so just continue sharing my content. I really appreciate your support, and I really appreciate because you share my content. We are growing in terms of subscribers, in terms of views, in terms of watch hours. So keep doing that for your girl. Yeah, so guys, today I want to talk about the top highest paid niches on YouTube. I know there are so many categories on YouTube. When you even just try to type and like ask where can I fall? Where can I go? What can I do? I mean, like, YouTube is here for every person. Like, it is here for every person. And I think it is a platform of recent that I've noticed that people go on just to learn, not only for entertainment, but just to learn. Yeah, so in this video, I really want to talk about the top highest paying niches on YouTube. Yeah, so let's get into this video. Yeah, so I really have so many, and I could not actually have them here, out of them, and I had tried them for you guys. Yes, so remember, on this channel we talk about tips. We talk about tips about growing your channel, like tips on how to transform your channel, or how to grow a YouTube channel, how to increase in terms of views, in terms of subscribers, how to ensure that you are going high and high and high and not coming down. Yes, as a smaller YouTuber, I'm focusing so much on small YouTubers because I know, man, I have been there and I know the struggles. So that is why I don't want you guys to go through what I have gone through in terms of content creation, in terms of growing a channel. Yes, let it be smooth for you guys, but not hard. Yes. So today I want to talk about a top. No, I want to talk about top highest paid YouTube niches, and I have like 10 of them that I'm going to put up. Why am I to saying top highest paid? On YouTube, since it has so many categories, some categories that are low paying, and there are some that are high paying. Though also, I think it also the countries also matter. An example, if you are in Kenya, depending on the type of content that you do, if you have maybe the highest number from US watching your content or watching your videos, you're going to earn much. The type of content that you do determines the types of ads, the kind of ads they can put on your channel. So if you are starting a channel, man, just push yourself. For as long as you have taken a step to do something that really will give you some good amount, you are good to go. Yeah, so anyway, without any further ado, let me first talk about. So the first one is making money online. There are so many people that are searching about making money online. Like, people want money, and they want short-term things. Like, they want things that are in like, nifanye hivi na hivi dakika moja mbili nimeanza kupata pesa, and not only small amount of money. Yeah, so teaching about making money online is an advantage on YouTube, because it's one of the niches that pay off. Then there's personal financial and investments. Of course, people, after making money online, people want to know ways on how they can invest. Like, what can they venture in? Like, what can they do to grow big and wide? You see, yeah. So also having this type of content will definitely make you some good money on YouTube. Yes, and also education content. Education, I talk about teaching. It could be English, it could be anything that it could be a software, it could be teaching people what to do, like do just teaching people about something. Yeah, it's definitely that also, because that type of content as well, it's kind of searched, because people are always searching how to do ABCD, how can I do this, how can I do this, why do I have to do this? Is it, you see? Yeah, so education content is broad, like it is very, very, very big. Yeah, it's not about you being like teaching like how people teach in school, but it can even be, it can be a subject, it can be about fashion, it can be about like it's wide, it's very, very wide, and it covers actually in, I think, in under most of the categories. Yes, because it's teaching people about something. Yeah, so the other thing is about doing reviews. This could be phones, it could be laptops, it could be computers, it could be cars, it could be what can I talk about? Like name it all. Yeah, you just do a review, like maybe like about a tablet, or like there's so many companies. It could, like you're talking about something, and you tell people about it more, like more detail about that item and how it works and what they should expect. Yes, why I say it's also some good kind of categories, because people are always making comparisons. Let me assume in terms of phones, maybe assume like laptops or phones, maybe like iPhone 16, iPhone 15. So they always want to make comparisons and say what does iPhone 16 has more as compared to iPhone 15. Yes, so real estate also is a good type of content, because of course people love to invest in real estate. Yeah, so people are always looking for ideas. People are always looking for new stuff, like on how, in terms of structures and so on. Yeah, so even that is deal. Yeah, so gaming also, um travel videos. Who doesn't want to travel? Who does not want to travel? Yes. Why I think this is under that category is because traveling covers is also kind of wide, because you might cover outside the country or within the country. Either way, if you are covering within the country, it means that the tourist people who are coming in will also be interested to know how the country is. An example, if I am doing a travel content, it definitely does not stop about me showing people where I am going, but it's also about people knowing where this place, what's about it, what's the little about them, like before they travel in, from maybe Spain, from maybe Germany, from maybe Canada, to come to that specific country or that specific location. They would want to know more about that area. Or yeah, so that also is a high paying content. Yeah, so the other one, I won't say it's high paying, fashion and beauty, and then we have a lifestyle, then we have a reaction videos. Yeah, so that was it for this video. I hope this has been helpful to you guys. If it has, please drop down a comment and tell me what would you want us to talk about in the what would you want us to talk about in the next video. Yeah, so see you once again.